make a quick video for y'all. Very, very quick video. Changing out my lifters. Number 7 took a crap on me. But that's another video for another day. If you're having problems getting these lifter or fuel injectors out, it's a nightmare. I finally figured out how to get it. So first things first, take your needle nose. I was not happy with it. So put them in right there, right there. Pull it out. So pull that piece out. You see where it's at, right? Right there. Put it in with the rest of the piles. Then take your pick tool. You need this one. Or you might be able to get away with this one right here. I don't know. That was $10 at AutoZone. Then you're gonna take your pick tool. You take your pick tool. Where am I at? There I am. Take your pick tool. Go underneath. Not that. My bad. Underneath that. Oh man. That. See how that opened up? See if I get a closer view. So you're gonna go underneath. See how that opened? See how that's moving? You gotta go underneath that. And that's why that's open. Since I ain't got no hands. But you're gonna take your left hand or your right hand. See how that's open? With that open, with you bending that like that, it allows you to take out the whole sensor. You know, so I ain't got no hands, but that's why the other videos, you know what I'm saying, they were showing you how to do it using this. So you basically had to go underneath and blindly try to figure out. That's why I showed you how to pop this off. And then you go up in there. You might be able to pull that other pick tool off because this is at an angle and this is all, yeah, this is all at an angle and stuff. Let's see, it's all stuck now. But yeah, hope that helped you out. That part that moves, push that up, pull it out.